NinjaTrader and Tradovate, two top futures platforms to help you pick the right one fast. First up, NinjaTrader. It's a powerhouse for active futures traders who want deep charting, custom scripting, and automation. You get advanced chart tools, order flow features like volume profile, and full backtesting with C# scripting. Great if you want to build your own algo strategies. It runs on Windows desktop mainly, with mobile access for monitoring. Pricing's clear. Free basic version with funded brokerage, or $99 month, or $1,499 lifetime for the full deal. The catch? It's complex and Windows-centric. Steeper learning curve. Next, Tradovate. It's cloud-based and accessible everywhere. Web, Mac, Windows, mobile, all included at no extra cost. The interface is clean, easy to use, and it plugs into TradingView and Jigsaw for charting and tools. It includes advanced features like DOM, order brackets, market replay, options chain, and TPO charts, all in the base platform. Pricing is subscription-based, about $99 month or $1,499 lifetime, then trades are commission-free. It's smoother and more modern, but lacks NinjaTrader's deep automation and backtesting depth. So here's the verdict. If you want deep customization, serious backtesting with C# and pro charting, and don't mind a steeper learning curve, go NinjaTrader. If you prefer cloud access, easy setup, modern design, and built-in TradingView integration with no extra fees, go Tradovate. Pick NinjaTrader if you're an expert building your own strategies. Choose Tradovate if you want streamlined access everywhere, no commissions, and solid tools out of the box.